Hey beautiful people, welcome to Chimmy's Corner. I'm Chimmy, and in this corner we do all things fashion, hair, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you do like it, and I hope you stay, and I hope you do subscribe. Please guys, it's totally free to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, please. Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. You already know the drill. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a bun. I'm going to be using an extension that I've never used before. Okay, I've used it, but to get like locks and braids and stuff, I've never used it to do a bun. But I just thought it would be a nice look, so I'm going to be trying that out and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's get into it. So let me show you the extension that I'm going to be using. So it's called Hard Dreadlocks from Lumi Hair Products. So because like I said, I've used this before, I just have it in like bits and pieces, but I'm sure there'll be enough to do what I want to do. So this is what it looks like. I got this way back, so I have no idea how much it is now. But I'm sure any like hard dreadlocks type extension will probably do the job. This is the other piece I have. And the last pieces I have are these. They're not in any packet or anything. So yeah, let's do this, guys. I need to do this really quickly because I need to go somewhere, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'm just starting off by removing this from here. And just putting them all together. So this is all of them. Should be enough, right? So if you see me looking sideways, I'm just looking at the mirror. So this is my hair. So I'm going to be using the Dax gel. You can use any gel that works for you. A brush, bobby pins, Isoplus, that's another gel, my Edges toothbrush, it's black because of the gel, guys, a spray bottle. So I just have water in here, so I'm just going to start by making my hair a bit damp, nothing too major. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just put the gel onto my hair. But then I realized that I needed to do my edges first. So at this stage, I'm going to be doing that. You don't have to do your edges. Sometimes I do mine this way. Sometimes I just push everything back. So it just depends on my mood on the day. But yeah, it's up to you. You just do it whichever way you like to do it. I also made sure that I did the back because you don't want to leave those little hairs sticking out. So I also made sure I tied down my edges. Yeah, so basically I was just adding gel until I was happy with it. You can add as much gel as you want. And I also used the brush to just smooth it all out. After that, I just went ahead and I tied it. And then I went ahead and I blow dried it off camera. It's up to you. You can either blow dry it or you can leave it to air dry depending on how much time you have. But I was in a hurry, so I used the blow dryer. Quick disclaimer, I went ahead and ended up adding more gel because I just felt like I hadn't put enough, and I also redid my edges. It happens, guys. So with the Isoplus, guys, the gel always looks a bit white when you first apply it, but once it dries out, that goes away, so don't worry about it. Okay, so at this stage I got the extensions and I took out 2 strands. You'll know why in a bit. I took a hair tie. So I did this before my hair completely dried, guys. Like, yeah, I'm sorry, I just had to. But yeah, when you do it, don't do it like I did it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, attach the hair tie to the extensions. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. And there you go. And then at this point, I'm just gonna be wrapping the extensions around. And I'll be using the bobby pins to just pin the extensions down. So really, when it comes to this stage, there's no formula really. It's just playing around, moving around the extensions, seeing what will work or what will look nice. But the main thing is just to make sure all the ends are like tucked away and they're not visible. So that's what I'm going to be doing at this point. This actually looks nice. Like, this could actually be a look, hey, with the side drop going on, whatever that is. Whatever you want to call it. But I really wanted like a neat, nice bun with nothing like coming out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it again. But that's actually a whole look, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so now I'm gonna get those two pieces that I left, and I'm just gonna wrap them around, tuck that in, because I just want like two little side pieces dropping out. You get the idea, right? Make sure to tuck in the ends. And yeah, I think our look is done. So this is the final look, you guys. I love how it turned out. When I filmed this part, my hair wasn't dry though, so I did go ahead and tie to the scarf afterwards. But I love how it turned out. The only thing I'll probably change is the color, because I used the extensions in the shade number 1 and my hair isn't black, so yeah. But besides that, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and please do give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.